bored in the moment. Smile, honey. Debbie.
Oh no, don't do that.
Hey, cheeky. Oh, look. Oh, my favourite grandparents. See, look, we're there on fireworks. Woo! Ooh, that's a bright one, isn't it? Look at that, right, sparkly. Oh, and Hannah's standing in the middle of the screen.
Sorry.
Oh, that was rubbish!
Do you want me to go get you another one?
No, I'll get one.
I'll do
I
it.
just wanted to film a bit of this because we've never filmed it really before. And I thought,
I'll go get you another Stella.
oh, bless you. Yeah, that'd be lovely. Are you watching them all and waiting? Liam? Say hello, look. We're going to watch these fireworks go off. Ooh, it's noisy, isn't it, with all those fireworks? You have to be careful where you hold it, yeah? Can you see them? Look, they're there, aren't they? Middle. So hold it still like that. Yeah? Look, if you hold it right still, we can go closer, zoom in, look, and see them a bit better, and go back out again. We're going to watch them because they'll be lighting it, won't they, in a minute? They'll be going in a minute.
Liam, come here and watch these.
Ready?
She is. Hey, look! Film your grandma, look! Film your nan! Doesn't she look silly? You got it! Oh, yeah, you can! Is it so me, Isaac? You like it? Go back out a bit, look. There we go, look. Oh, they're taking a long time, aren't they? Come on, everybody! What are they doing?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted this one. Woo! That was close.
Don't bring them all out. Come here. These are really, really dangerous.
Woo! How was your marshmallow, Grandad?
I enjoyed it.
You've got it all over your lips.
It's me.
Everybody's same.
She does it on purpose.
And you can't blame it on your age because Barbara did exactly the same. Charming. I don't want to try it, thank you. Put it back in the muck tub.
I wouldn't recommend them. They're nice.
You wouldn't? They're lovely.
Some a few weeks back, I've been touching on the phone.
Hey! It's a bit fat now. I'm filming.
It's on a re-week one, isn't it?
Look at you, you little poser.
Very nice.
Hey! Like mother, like son.
You got me kissing.
You're not got...
Rachel's turn. Rachel's good at it as well.
Is that it?
So you're having a laugh. I'm not concentrating.
love floating away.
Woo! I like the wiggly bit. Woo! Let's see. Oh, we can't see what it says. Stan 01. Ah, that's better. Thank you.
Is it?
Look at the master in action.
Liam, smile at me a minute. Oh, that's lovely.
I need a smaller brush.
Oh, look at Hannah's face painting too. That's scary, isn't it? That witch look.
The witch. The witch. Right in the witch.
I know they're really pretty. I can't do
Mate,
it. Pretty done well.
you can watch it back. When we're done with this, I'll let you watch it back and then you can do the same to her, yeah?
Yeah, no, I'll kill myself.
What's the clown mouth for?
I'm Coco the Clown, aren't I? I'm Coco the Clown.
Oh, you know.
Not far off.
Wait, you've got to wait till I finish.
It's not looking like that, is it?
Yeah. It is. I know. I thought it was looking pretty damn like that myself.
It looks like, let's just have a look at what it's supposed to look like.